How to verify identity on Google AdSense. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Google AdSense. In order to verify your identity, first thing first, open up a browser and then on the web address bar, go ahead and type in adsense.com or Google AdSense. After that, it's going to direct you to the home page if you're logged in. If you're not logged in, then make sure to sign in with your Google ID. And once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the interface, something like this. Right on this page, you'll need to go ahead and scroll down a bit in the left hand side bar, click on payments. So before you verify your identity, you'll have to add a payment method. After that, you can begin with the verification. So go ahead and tap on payment info. For the payment info, you can provide in debit card, credit card, whatsoever. And after you're done completing the verification or adding a payment method, moving on to the step number 2, you need to go to verification check, where you need to confirm your personal details in order to get started. So that's basically how you can verify your identity on Google AdSense. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.